Hey YouTube, it's Alicia here, and I wanted to come and show you how I make my apple cider drink that I drink at night and in the daytime. So I'm going to show you. We're going to be doing a couple of things for tomorrow. So this is the for tomorrow drink. I have my drink for tonight, and this is a fruit punch, apple cider fruit punch. And things. So what you need is 100% lemon juice. Any brand will work, but I have the Kroger brand. The Biggs Organic Raw Unfiltered apple cider with the mother. I do have backup. I have a juice. Yes, let me say, I have a juice. And I have the Ocean Spray cranberry juice. 100% vitamin C. This is the one we're going to be using. We're going to use some pineapple juice. That and that is going to make great. Make sure you have your measuring cups, your stevia, and make sure you have your blender. I have the handheld blender. And let me scoot back here for a minute. Oh, there it is. The one I was looking for, y'all. And you have the juice measuring cups. So for the juice measuring cup, I will be using a cup in the pink. So we're going to start off with that. So I like to put my juice in first before I put everything else in. And you're just gonna put a cup of the mango. And you're going to put it in here. Now, if you somebody like me and you can't take like strong taste, then this can actually help to mask the taste. And I have done this before and I lost weight from this. So I'm starting it back once again. So what we're going to be using, the one thing we'll be using for the lemon juice, you will be using a teaspoon. So we're going to start off with that. And I use 1 whole teaspoon of that. All right. Alright. After that, we're going to use 1/2, well you can see it, of teaspoon of the apple cider apple cider vinegar. Ooh. 1 teaspoon of that. Sometimes I just only use 1 teaspoon. People use 2. I use 1 due to my throat is easy to get irritated. Alright. So using that same teaspoon, I'm rinsing it out. And you're going to take a towel, paper towel, and you're going to wash that out a little bit. Just rinse it off. And you're going to use a stevia of the same teaspoon of this one with the green. And that's it for that. Now, because I'm going to be using, we're going to be doing this a little different. We're going to take a spoon, and what we're going to do, we're going to take like this. You're going to take 1 spoon and a half. You can kind of say a spoon and a half, and of the already pineapples and a little bit of the juice. Once you do that, you're going to take this right here, put it here, turn it upside down, put it in here. Make sure you blend the sugar up very well. And that's it. I'm going to set this in the refrigerator for tomorrow. And that is it. And if you want to, you can put it back on. But that is how you do it. And then you can put it in one of these cups. Or you can wait till tomorrow to add ice and blend it up or even a little more. All right, y'all. That's all I have time for. So don't forget to thumbs up this video, comment below, and subscribe.